Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a trending filters without cringe. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok application and pick filters that match your vibe. If it doesn't feel like your style, skip it. You don't have to use every trend. Then here, add context. Don't just record your face. Pair the filter with a funny story, reaction, or relatable moment. Avoid overuse. Filters lose the impact when everyone doing the same thing. Add your twist or remix it to something new. Then, here combine with original sound or audio or clever caption to keep it fresh. Watch how the creators you admire use it subtly. Then confident plus humor will never be cringe. Bonus tip, practice before posting. A good take makes all the difference. And that's how you can slay TikTok filters without cringe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.